Yo, what's going on, boys? Quick trade recap today. Today is September 25th. We are back on a funded combine. Price action was pretty decent today. Kind of crazy, honestly. We dumped, like, market opened. We dumped like 150 points and then tapped into a 15-minute gap and then instantly went up like 200 points, and we're still pumping. It's like crazy moves, like 350 points in like an hour pretty much, which is kind of nuts. But was able to capitalize off this. Actually, no, not really. I missed an entry. So here we go. Okay, coming into the day. Coming into the day, I was honestly bearish, and I wanted to see. Well, we still had FOMC lows here. These are like from FOMC that we still haven't taken out, but they're a long ways away. What we ended up doing was just tapping into this 15-minute gap right here, and then rejecting it, or respecting it, I guess. Sorry. And then we just started buying back and reversing. So honestly, I was like waiting to see if this would get respected, and we ended up inversing this the 5-minute right here. And like at this point, I wasn't gonna just buy off the 5-minute inversion, because it's like I didn't really have it. Like I could have technically bought in this candle and then targeted, these highs, but then where would my stop be? Just at the candle or something. So at this one, I kind of missed my entry, because like I wasn't really looking for longs within here. I thought this was like more of a retrace to head lower. I should have bought probably off one of these inversions, or this 1-minute CIST here maybe. It doesn't matter, we missed that. So we're all the way up here now, and after we swept this, I'm looking for some sort of reversal, and we don't end up getting that. So that just tells me that we want to head a little bit higher. So I'm looking for what we could be possibly targeting, and then boom, we have an unfilled 1-hour gap right here. And I'm just gonna target that as my draw. I get a nice little continuation model right here. Actually, what I was looking, because we just swept these highs, whatever. This gap right here, if we inverse this on the 1-minute, I was gonna look for shorts to target unfilled 5 minutes throughout here, because we have a lot of unfilled 5-minute gaps here that we are gonna have to rebalance eventually. So if we inverse this, I was going to probably short and target unfilled 5s, but we end up respecting this, confirming bullish order flow. And then I just kind of bought as we kind of started, or I actually bought off the 1-minute CIST. I don't really know how 1-minute CISTs or CISTs work in general, because I just bought as soon as we closed above here and came back and tapped this line. I don't know if it's supposed to be the wick, but I usually do the candle. I'm not sure if that's right. Honestly not sure. But yeah, I bought off this, and then I was targeting the 1-hour unfilled, only 27 points, pretty much a 1-to-1 1.25, and then I risked 15 cons. So I made $800 on the trade, but I unfortunately took a loss here. I was just like trying to bottom or top tick. Yeah, I don't even know what. I'm pretty sure I tried to use this as a rejection block, and I used 10 contracts for some reason. Lost like 100. So I'm up 600 on the day on the new combine, which, like, honestly, man, I don't know. I don't mind it, because like everyone is saying that you should be full porting your evals, you should be making 1,500 twice, which like I can see why, But with the strategy that I trade, like inversions, it is supposed to be a high win rate, low RR strategy. And like, what am I gonna do? Like, I don't mind risking 500 a trade and then hitting like a 1 to 1.5, and then hitting that like, 4 times. I don't know if that math is right, but something like that, yeah, I'm just gonna take it how I want to take it and play it slow. I literally still haven't passed the combine yet. I'm hoping this is the one, and then I'm hoping I can honestly pass this before the new quarter, and then I hope the new quarter will bring some nice price action, and then we can hopefully trade an express on that. But that's like a long ways to go. Like, we're just got to take it day by day. Yeah. So pretty decent little trade. I was literally in it for, I think, 5 minutes. Just a nice continuation model. This wasn't the inversions model that I usually had been trading. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Just a quick trade recap. Gonna get myself to the gym right now, or pretty soon. And yeah, that's pretty much all. And I'll see you boys tomorrow. Do we have news? We got 10 a.m. news tomorrow. Only at orange folder, and then PCE price. I don't even know what that is. At 8:30. Okay, yeah, we have 10 a.m. news tomorrow though. So I'll probably wait for that. But anyway, yeah, see you tomorrow, boys.